So today we're working on reminding that he knows how to not go forward. When I said that word earlier, it ended the camera taping. So we're practicing standing still, which is mega important with a driving horse and a little bit tricky on a 2-year-old. So he's being very good. We started in the round pen. Whoa, but I had forgotten my camera. And then we went long lined outside, and then he got to stand for a while. I went and got my camera. Whoa, that's a good boy. Again, my overgirth is so long that I have to use it as a wrap girth. And I think it's caught on something the way it's acting, but we'll see. Let it all the way out on this side. And then we'll take it down on this side. There we go. These shafts are big and wide because I use this on a large variety of horses. You will everything from pregnant mares to 2-year-olds. My breeching goes under, the hold back strap goes under the trace before it goes through the hold back, the footman loop. And for this horse, twice around the shaft. And it will need some snugging up to do that. It's going to look like it's going to be oh so extremely tight on him. However, I want you to watch carefully. Once we get moving, you will see that it's a whole different story once they start to move. There we go. I don't suppose we could be lucky enough to leave the dogs at home. Whoa. He is half tied, so I'm not concerned about him walking off. What a good boy. Good boy. Never go without whip, glasses, hat, gloves. All those things are vital. What a good boy. Now, the fact that he is standing quietly while something yellow is sliding toward him is very good, since he was snake bitten last year. What a good boy. Whoa, son. And I'm sliding this around. Whoa, baby. Good boy. Whoa, you wait. Gale, walk on. Good boy. This is Mama. What a good boy. Until we get to where it's dusty, I can be without a mask, I think. What a good boy. New tracks across the field. straight in front of us. That means I believe they've been out there with a tractor and they might be spraying. Through the trees, good boy. Yes, it's different with that noise, isn't it? Yeah, we're going to go to the left today. We all know those are monsters right there. Not just big chunks of concrete. You never can tell when they might jump up and attack. Yep, lots of birds. All I'm looking for today is a very quiet drive. Difference between going this direction and the direction we've been going, no, you settle down, is that we have a plowed field next to us. So if he decides he wants to run today, we may just go right into that plowed field and let him see what he likes about that. Good boy. Temperature is somewhere in the 80s at the moment. Yes, there's a funny board there, isn't there? Take that home and knock it in pieces and throw it in the water tanks. We keep pieces of wood floating in the water tanks because that gives the birds something to land on, and since we started doing that, we don't find dead birds in the tank. Amy is with us. I don't see Nicki anywhere, and that's fine with me. And Doodlebug knows that she doesn't get to go with the babies. Doodlebug likes to go fast. So, no, you're gonna just walk. We went for a little bit tougher bit today. We're going to change our routine a lot. Kind of an ouchy road, isn't it? Good boy. need rain. We need rain. Heck, at this point, I'd even take a snowstorm. Yep, we'll wait to go any faster till we're off the Ouchie Road. That gives you a nice half-mile walk. He got his spring shots yesterday, so he's maybe not feeling as perky as he might. He was a little bit tender everywhere when I brushed him, or acted like it. So we're just going to take a nice easy drive today.